Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is Simplifying Radical Expressions Part 3. And this should be a nice, concise review for tomorrow's quiz if you're in my class. So here is the answer key for today's worksheet. So please pause the video if you need to and check your answers. Make sure whatever answers you came up with agree with this answer key. If not, please bring them up in class tomorrow and we'll discuss them. Okay, so here's problem 26. And we've been doing this just a little bit, and I will just put this as a bonus kind of problem on tomorrow's quiz, okay? But anyways, the whole point is, step one is we got to take each part of our expression here and factor it. So follow the red here. I hope you agree that that is a GCF of 9. Okay. Again, 9 times 7 is 63. 9 times minus 1 is at minus 9 right there. Okay, notice the bottom expression is already simplified. 7x minus 1. Now, the numerator of the second expression. Notice the GCF this time is a 7, because 7 times 7 is 49x, plus 7 times 4 gives me that 28 right there. And finally, we have the last one. Now, hopefully you recognize that as using FOIL backwards, or 2 parentheses. So 7x squared is 7x times x. 32 normally is 4 times 28. Now guys, follow the green. Look right there. See how we already have a 7x plus 4? So I'm going to try 4 times 8 for 32 and see if it works. So notice right here, that would give me 4x. 8 times 7 is 56, right? Can I get a minus 52x like that middle term? And the answer is, if I do a plus 4 minus 56, plus 4 minus 56, that will give me minus 52x. So I want a plus 4 for plus 4x right here. And a minus 8 times 7 is minus 56. So guys, notice I have every part of my expression factored, right? Now it's just a matter of cross-canceling. Notice 7x minus 1 will divide with 7x minus 1 and make 1. Notice the 7x plus 4 will divide with 7x plus 4 and make 1. So notice the only thing left is let's see here, what color can I use? I'll use black here. The 9 right there times 7 right there. So I'll just write it out here. So 9 times 7 is 63. And the only thing left in the denominator is that x minus 8. Now hopefully that matches the answer key. Let's check. So you'll notice right there, problem 26 is 63 divided by x minus 8. Good. Okay, let's pick up the pace here a little bit. Problem 17 and 19. Hopefully you know that 2 power, I'm going to distribute it inside the parentheses, and I'm going to get 4 squared. I'm going to get x minus 2 squared, and I'm going to get y2 squared. Again, follow the gold. I took the 2 and I distributed it, okay? So finishing up, that 4 squared, 4 times 4 is 16. This right here is x to the negative 4. We times when we have power on power. And that right there is y4. And that is our answer, except we don't like negative power. See that in green? So what does that negative power mean? I'm going to do a reciprocal, right? So I'm going to end up with 16 y to the 4. And that x4 now is in the denominator. Again, that negative right there just meant I took that whole x4 and did the reciprocal of it. So hopefully you're pausing the video as we're going through these problems, okay? Alright, at least one more here. Let's do number 19. Notice that negative 4, I can distribute it as well. So I'm going to use red to stand out. I have 2 to the negative 4, correct? I have y to the negative 4. And I have x3. That's a 3 right there. To the negative 4. So that leaves me 2 to the negative 4. Y to the negative 4. And that right there is x to the negative 12. Because I'm going to do 3 times negative 4 right there. Now here's my answer, guys. Now notice all of them have a negative power. So what does a negative power mean again? I'm going to do the reciprocal, right? So here's my final answer. 1 over, now 2 to the 4 is 16. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 16. Y to the 4, of course, is just y to the 4. And x to the 12 is x to the 12. And I did the whole thing in the bottom denominator because of the negative powers. So let's check these two answers for 17 and 19. So on 17, look right there, we're supposed to get 16y4 over x4. And that's what we got there. On 19, we are supposed to get 1 over 16y4x12. And what do you know? There it is there again. Okay, guys, so hopefully if you watch this video, combine it with my 2 previous videos, you should be ready for the quiz tomorrow. And that ends this video. Until next time, bye-bye.